Hello and good morning dear learners. Today's lesson is for the 4MS learners, تلاميذ السنة الرابعة المقبلين على شهادة امتحان الأهلية. Sequence 1. المقطع الأول. Me أنا universal عالمي landmarks معالم and outstanding it means amazing رائعة figures in history في التاريخ literature and arts يعني هذه الوحدة كامل تخص landmarks المعالم التاريخية العالمية outstanding figures it's the same meaning literature يعني هو الأدب and arts الفنون يعني راح يكون شامل راح نشوفوا فيها أشهر المعالم التاريخية وأيضا الشخصيات. I listen and do. The first lesson درس الأول I listen and do أستمع وصحح في نفس الوقت. Task 1 A group of Algerian middle school students are visiting London يعني مجموعة تلاميذ مرحلة المتوسط جزائريين أكيد are visiting في زيارة لمدينة لندن. They are riding an open top double-decker bus and their English tourist guide is showing them London's most famous landmarks and monuments. What does it mean? They are riding هم يركبون an open top double-decker يعني هذا نوع من الحافلة يكون مفتوح and their English tourist guide المرشد السياحي is showing يظهر لهم them London's most famous popular مشهور landmarks أهم المعالم أو أشهر المعالم الموجودة في لندن and monuments the same like Big Ben يعني هذا نقول له monuments during this sightseeing هذه الرحلة. السؤال هنا let's see the question which of the following pictures يعني هذا الصور 1 2 3 illustrates an open top double-decker bus يعني اللي تظهر لنا نوع الحافلة هذا open مفتوح top double-decker bus يعني يكون فيه طابقين ويكون مفتوح. Look here it is closed يعني صح فيه طابقين اثنين but it is closed. Here it is only one احنا يعني مالفين نشوفهم في الجزائر and here we have double-decker and we have open top يعني الجزء العلوي يكون مفتوح. So let's see it is this one I think number 3. Which of the following pictures illustrates an open-top double-decker bus? Picture number 3 or this one is showing that open-top double-decker bus. The second one, I sort out استخرج the jumbled يعني الغير مرتبة disorder names أسماء this one هذه الأسماء اللي راهم غير مرتبين of these vehicles with the help of my partner يعني بمساعدة زميلي في القسم. Here what do we have? Open top double-decker bus. Open top. This is closed and here we don't have a top. So it goes with this one يعني هذه with this one. The next one a double-decker bus. Only double but we don't have an open one. It means it's closed. So we match it with this one. And the last one here, we have it in Algeria as I said, it is a coach. So we put it here. That's it. Task number 2. I listen to the English tourist guide part 1 يعني راح تستمعي هنا and write down the missing words in my copybook. First listen القراءة أو السمع الأول اللي راح تسمعه راح تحاول إنك تركز في الكلمات. Here today we're going on a sightseeing tour around يعني راح تشوف الكلمات هذه اللي بعدها. يمكن تجيب first of all، أول حاجة ديروها راح تحاول إنك تقرأ قراءة يعني خفيفة للنص، not deeply، يعني ما it's skimming، برك تقرأ قراءة خفيفة. today we are going on sightseeing tour around، هنا أكيد around what يعني place. now in the city of Westminster، يعني راهم في مدينة Westminster. in a few you listen to the conversation and try to think about the missing word.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Did you sleep well last night?
Very well, sir. Thank you.
Have you had a good English breakfast this morning? It's going to be a long day.
Yes, sir. We're ready.
Fine then. Today, we are going on a sightseeing tour around London. We are now in the city of Westminster. In a few minutes, you will see the Houses of Parliament along the River Thames on your left. The place is also known as Westminster Palace, which was originally built in the 11th century. On 16th October 1834, most of the building was destroyed by a fire. 6 years later, construction began on the current Houses of Parliament and was completed 30 years afterwards. In 1987, UNESCO
put the words here. Today we're going on a sightseeing tour around what? يعني the place. Which place? London. That's the place we are visiting today. يعني هذا هو المكان اللي راهم يتحدثوا عليه في النص. We are now in the city of Westminster. In a few you will see the Houses of. Replay you and try to give the answer in a few hours, in a few days, in a few weeks, in a few minutes, I think. In a few minutes. In a few minutes you will see the house, or it's a city, or what kind of place this? It's a river, نهر. On your left, الجهة اليسار, place is also known as the Westminster Palace, يعني قصر Westminster, which was originally built in the 11th what's era here, وش من وقت period، يعني القرن الحادي عشر. What do we say in English? Century. Century يعني هو القرن. On 16th October 1834 يعني الأرقام هنا or the dates you can read it like this: 1834. Most of the building was destroyed يعني هدم by a fire حريق. 6 years what? After later, let's check. 6 years later, constructions began and the current houses on the current house. إعادة البناء يعني. began is the verb begin in simple past. هذا هو الفعل بدأ begin in simple past. and was completed يعني أنهوا البناء 30 years after، مباشرة بعد 30 سنة. in 1987 or you can say 1987. UNESCO designated the building as the word عالمي heritage يعني تراث site.